Okay, and then click on OK. Now the relative permeability for multi-phase case is activated. Let's enter this. Okay, so now for water oil, let's say the residual water is 0.46 and residual oil saturation 0.17, and let's say this 0.63, and this one, for example, 0.05. Okay, and then KROW model, for example, you can use exponential or power. And then for this, we will use stone to modify it, but you can also use another method here. For gas, 0.02, for example, 0, and then this one, 0.63, just a hypothetical case for learning. And this one is 0. Okay. And then, yeah, you can refine this, relative permeability. Okay, so this is for the water oil. We can also change the exponent like 1.5 and see what happened there, right? And this is for oil and gas. Check no extrapolation. Okay. So you see the difference, right? And this is the three-phase relative permeability. Okay, so by the way, you can also load for, relative permeability table if you have. You can provide table of relative permeability and use it for your real model here. But let's leave it as it is for now and click on OK. Okay, and then we click on next button. So formation volume factor, let's say 1.23, for example. And then for the viscosity, 0.68. All right, and for the water saturation, so for the water saturation, 0.46. All right, and then for the total compressibility, it's, calculation, right? 0.46, 0.54, it's 0. And then let's input the compressibility. Let's say for oil, it's 4 to the power of -5. And then this, for example, 0.00105. And for the compressibility of water, it should be small. Let's say 3 to the power of -6. The saturations input above may be inconsistent with later initial state values. Okay, you can also reset all from PVT. By the way, maybe we can, as it is just a learning, for simplicity, let's reset all from PVT. Click on OK. All right, so that's it, more or less. And then, by the way, let's check once again. Or maybe I'm going to use instead this to the power of -4. Quite compressible. Okay, and then this should be to the power of -3, let's say. Quite compressible. Click on OK. All right, and then so we can move further. Next. Step 5, first analysis, numerical parameters. Yes, vertical anisotropy, check that. You can also use real PVT if you want. And you can also allow aquifers. Okay, so for now, we continue first. Next or create. All right.